So we'll go through one more section, say taxes. It's a small section. We'll stop there, and tomorrow we'll go through the transactions, item inventory, and other stuff, because these two sections are a bit big, means similar to company and accounting, and the other things are a bit smaller. So we'll be able to complete maybe by tomorrow this enable features section. Okay, so let's go through the tax. So in case if we are using advanced taxes, we can enable this checkbox. Apart from that, there are various suite apps available, international tax reports. So in case some countries have VAT, some have GST, some have some other reports. So in case if we have multiple subsidiaries, and if we want to have you can say international tax reports, we can install this particular suite app. Similarly, withholding tax. This withholding tax is generally used in some countries and not all. So for example, in India, we have the withholding tax. In Brazil, we have withholding tax. So in case if we have any subsidiaries there, we can install this particular suite app. Similarly, tax audit files as well. So in case if we want to use these any additional suite apps, we can go ahead and use those. Are we okay till now? It depends whether it's a managed suite app or a third-party suite app. If it is already provided by NetSuite, and in case if there are any amendments, NetSuite takes care of it. In case if there are third-party suite apps, those third-party takes care of it, and they make those changes or amendments available.
Okay.
Whether they are available whenever they are introduced, it depends, or it might take some time to get those things introduced.
Okay.
Okay. I know these are a bit heavy topics. It's a bit difficult to digest everything in one session. So that's the reason we'll divide this accounting preferences, or you can say the enable features, into two sessions. So we have completed today company, accounting, and taxes. Tomorrow we'll complete the other subtabs, or okay, the other sections. Okay, and then we'll start off with the accounting preferences. So I'm going a bit slow on this. I want to you can say give maximum time on this. So maybe we'll require 2 to 3 sessions to complete these enable features and accounting preferences. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions apart from this, queries? Okay, so you can go through that, all this stuff at your end. And in case if you have any queries, you can get back to me. I will discuss those during tomorrow's session. Okay.
Okay.